guys, it's Brandon. Welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to be unboxing the newly released M1 iPad Pro in the 11-inch Space Gray variant. Now, I am doing voiceovers here and there in this video because I was filming this during my online lectures. I was just way too excited to set everything up properly, and I'm just going to be unboxing it here. If you would like to see the iPad 8th generation unboxing that I did back in September, I will link it below. Not only are we unboxing the iPad today, we also got the Magic Keyboard in the black color. The white color was not an option and was not available during the time of filming, and I will be installing two DBrand skins, one for the keyboard and one for the iPad itself. Now this video, I was meant to make it into a quick unboxing. If you would like a full review of the M1 iPad Pro, be sure to leave a like, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe. Now without further ado, let's just get started.
Multiple deadlines and all kinds of different classes.
As usual, the iPad Pro comes in two sizes, 11 inches, which is the one we have here, and a 12.9-inch model, which is a little different this year because it's using a new display technology that Apple calls Liquid Retina XDR. Despite the new name, this tablet is still using an LCD display. It is not OLED like the iPhones, but what's different here is the backlighting technology that is used to brighten the LCD.
Or part of a scene. A map can also be very carefully created to say a clip.
And of course, we cannot forget the main highlight of this year's iPad is because it has the same M1 processor that is found in the recent MacBook Air, MacBook Pro, Mac Mini, and the just released alongside 24-inch iMac. Okay, now we're at the part where I'm going to install two DBrand skins. The two DBrand skins we have is the Chalk from the Pastel series and of course the Carbon Fiber. And there we have it. That is the M1 2021 iPad Pro fully unboxed along with the Magic Keyboard and the two DBrand skins that we installed. I'm pretty excited to see how this iPad performs, and I already know it's going to be super fast because I do own one of the MacBook Pros that have the M1 chip that was released earlier this year. When I edit my full HDR clips that I shoot with my iPhone, this thing edits and handles everything like a champ, no problems whatsoever, so I'm pretty excited to see if this thing can do the same. With Apple's own silicon chips, they're more reliable and they seem to be a lot better than Intel, and that has been proven by like a lot of things, by other reviewers, by other people trying out M1 products, and so far everyone's been pretty satisfied. And there we have it. That concludes the unboxing and first look of the M1 iPad Pro 11-inch in space gray. I would just like to know if you've made it this far, comment down below Apple Pencil because that was the one thing that we were missing in this unboxing. And don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, and stay tuned because I do have a desk tour and minimal setup video coming and dropping shortly. So yeah, thank you guys again, and I'll see you guys in the next one.